Hi guys, good day. Kamusta kayo? For today's video, uh, let's talk about what are the important things na dapat natin consider when choosing a coin to trade, or what are the important things that need to be known before entering the trade. So, ang unang-una natin i-consider is that the volume ng isang coin. Kasi without volume, it's like gasoline, a fuel of a certain vehicle. Without fuel, gasoline, or gasoline, vehicle cannot run, vehicle cannot move, right? So the same is true in trading. If there's no volume, it could be a selling volume, it could be a buying volume. Without the coin cannot move, stagnant. So ang una natin i-consider is volume. So paano ba natin, question is, paano ba natin ma-check yung volume? Actually, meron tayong mga tools na ginagamit to check kung anong volume ng isang coin. Pwede tayo pumunta sa coin market cap, select natin yung coin na i-trade natin, or I have these tools, this one, 1 minute, the trading tool, tradingroom.io. There is a tab there called volume scanner. Just 1 minute. We will try to check. Alright, okay. We will check what is the top 20 volume, at least to check the top 20 volume coin, high volume coins. We will go to the volume scanner and we will check what are the top 20 coins that has a higher volume. We will select volume. Okay, the highest volume was BTC, BNB, Ethereum, BU, SD, the CHS, the DOT, the ADA, the MATIC, and etc. Right? Okay, we will select on the top 20. That's our target, top 20 coins, and top 20 coins of the highest volume. Okay, let's check. We'll try to check the CHS. Okay, let's check. Let's type CHS. Could be with the BTC or the USDT pair, but we'll try to check this one, or the okay. From this you already selected coin, that is the Chiliz. Then we will now check the if it's trending or not. So make the volumes. Okay, have you noticed this Chiliz coin? This is trending because all the moving averages are below the price. This is 50, 100, and 200. So this is trending coin. We'll check on the 4 hours, then it says that it's trending because the moving average are below the price. Then we will check the 1 hour if it's trending or not. Still trending. Trending point. And then we will check from number 2 to check the trend, right? Okay, trend. Our number one trade line is bullion. Number two is trend. Trend. I'll check the trend of the chilies. So the trend is uptrend because uptrend and trending, right? Have you noticed? Even without moving averages, we can check that the price is trending. It's in uptrend. See here is a higher high, higher low structure. That's uptrend. Structure is uptrend. Okay, now from here we will check the coin is trending, and we will apply trending strategies. So it's so ironic if we apply the trending strategy, but this trending market we will apply the trending strategies. We will now plot our support and resistance. This is a support. How many touches? 1, 2, 3, 3 touches. Previous resistance to become support. Now, it's the resistance. Resistance area here. Resistance. Now, actually, support and resistance, there are so many kinds. There's a diagonal support and resistance, the dynamic support and resistance, what they call the Fibonacci, that's also support and resistance, and also that supply and demand. This is there are so many support and resistance types, but here we will use dynamic and the common support and resistance. So we will plot it. You can see here the 4 hours. So this is the support and resistance, and also the price is respecting the 50 MA. So that's our wall of the confluence here. So there are two options that we are going to use here. And if we can wait we will wait the price to go here as our entry, or the other thing is we will wait for the breakouts. So we will wait for the breakout. If the price will go here, we'll go here and printed a bullish candle, then we will, that's our confirmation. So there are two options. You can use this. We will wait the price to go here, or we will wait for the breakout. So the most recommended here is that we will wait for the breakout. We will wait for the breakout, or we will wait for the retracement here. So the most recommended is we will wait for the price to retrace this area, because we have good risk to reward ratio. So if the price will go here will respect the 50 EMA, we will enter, and our stop loss below here. We will take long position, or here in the breakout. But actually, if you are a breakout trader, one of the drawbacks there is that your risk to reward ratio is compromised. So What you can do here, just wait the price to retest the 50 move, the 50 EMA here. We will wait the price here, and our confirmation for that is if the price will go here and printed a bullish candle, then that's a sign that the price will go up. Also, one of our confirmation, that's a confluence. So another confluence here, we will use the indicators. One of the indicators, it could be RSI, MACD, or the CCI or stochastic. I will try to use the CCI. That could be the CCI value. This one we will try to use another indicator like the CCI. If you check if there is a divergence or something like that. CCI, channel index. Okay. CCI is printed on the below on the oversold area. So if you use CCI, there's a strategy in CCI. If uptrend, we will buy on the oversold. If the total structure of the certain coin is uptrending, it's showing higher to just for example, if the price is showing like this, uptrending. So if we are going to use CCI aside from the divergence, we will wait the price. We will wait the CCI to become oversold or the below in the below 100 area, negative 100 area here. We will wait that as our confirmation to enter a trade. If the total structure of the certain coin is lower low, lower high, like this, so we will wait if the CCI to print it to be oversold. But since this Chiliz is an uptrend structure, we will wait the CCI to be oversold. So from this oversold as our additional confirmation for our entry here. So again, I will repeat, for this particular structure, we will wait the price to go here in this area and the 50 EMA to bounce. If the price will respect this area and printed a bullish candle, that's a sign that we have to enter the trade. Or else, as like what I said, we will wait for the breakout. But the breakout strategy, the risk to reward ratio is compromised. So preferably, we will wait the price to respect this area, the 50 SMA. 50 EMA as our support sign of our entry. So okay, that's the things in selecting the points. So the criteria here is the volume. So again, I repeat, the important things need to know before entering the trade is volume. So volume is one of the key factors in trading. It's like fuel. Without fuel, the vehicle cannot run. Same is true in volume. So without volume, coin cannot go up or down. So the trend. So we are using the multiple moving average to check if the price is trending or not. So if the price above on the moving average is uptrending, and we will apply the trending strategies. And then from then we will check all the confluences. We will check the support and resistance. It could be the visible support and resistance, like the dynamic support and resistance. What we call this, a Fibonacci. So we will back on the chillies. We will check if in what particular Fibonacci levels this price respected. So we will check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to swing high. So the price respected the 0.382 Fibonacci levels. So just keep in mind that three levels, or the very important ratio in Fibonacci. Just remember this: if the price will respect 3.82 Fibonacci, that's a sign of a strong trend. And if the price respected 0.5 Fibonacci, it's a normal trend. And if the price respected the 0.618, it's a weak trend. But since here it shows the 382 Fibonacci, the sign of a strong trend, right? So that's one of our confluence. Another confluence here is that the price here is expected 50 EMA here. And also, if you are using the indicators, you're using the indicators here. So the price is in the near in the oversold. So you already know that here is the oversold, it's overbought area, and the downside is oversold. So we will wait here as our additional confluence for additional confirmation. The price will go oversold, and the price will respect this area at 382. So that's confluence. This is already a confluence. Guys, this is already a confluence. Here, as you see, price respected the 50 EMA, and Fibonacci showing 382. Here, this is already a confluence. Here. Here is really a confluence respected the 50 EMA, and the Fibonacci ratio is on the 382 Fibonacci, which is a sign of a strong trend. So we will just wait here around this area as our entry if we are going to trade the chillies coin. Around this area as our entry, around 2 point here, around 2.348 to here 2.4 something. So we will wait here the CCI to be oversold around negative 100. So as of now, we will not entry for the chillies, since the price we are going to wait the price to be good. So we will not interested in shorting, because the total structure, the total trend of the chillies is uptrend. So we will just need to follow what's the main trend. This is uptrending, and we will apply trending strategies. Okay, so we will check again another coin. Just apply we will apply this what we call guidelines in selecting the coin to trade. Number one guidelines is volume. Number two, trend. Number two is of the trend, and number three guideline is confluence and confirmation. We will wait for the price to go here. So we will check another point from this stock bullion. So let's check. We will check the dot. Okay, the polka dot. Okay, what is the current structure dot? There is. Okay. So we will check the trend. It is actually uptrending, uptrend because the price is above the moving averages on the 1 hour. Then we will check on the 4 hours what is the trend. Also trending. Price already on the trending structure. Now we will now check again the support and resistance. So we are using the trend lines. So this is the support. And then this is also the resistance. Here, it's already big out. Here, we touch this. Already break out. So and so what when you reverse for one option here, great, change the price of already over that here. So we will wait for the resistance here. So here is the resistance. We will test reduce resistance that becomes support. Okay, reduce resistance that becomes support. We will wait the price to go here around 38 something, 38 something, 38. So this is the new support, that is previous resistance on this area. We will not enter on the current price. We will just wait the price to go around 38.2. Stock bullion, the trend is uptrend, trending because the price above the moving average is 50 remaining 100 remaining at the price. Then this for conservative entry, we will need the price to go in this area. If you are aggressively there, you can enter. But since we are conservative, we will wait the price to go here. We will not chase the price, the currently price. That's the thing we need to know. Our guidelines here. Again, I repeat: volume, trend, confluence, and confirmation. Okay. That's our guidelines in selecting a point to trade. So we'll check another another point just to apply these guidelines. Matic, kasi I will try Matic. What is the structure of the Matic? Matic USDT. So in the 4 hours, it's a trending and trend. On the 1 hour, also trending. So our strategy here, so this is we will wait the price to go in this area, previous resistance that becomes support around this area. So we just first plot our support and resistance, the diagonal support and resistance. So here, yeah. So another option is we will trade on the breakout, but since we are conservative, we are waiting for price to touch this area, in this area. Let's see if the price will respect this trend line. So we will not trade on the current price. We will wait because to have a good risk to reward ratio. We'll check if there's a divergence here. I think there is divergence here. As you can see, there is a 18 bullish divergence here. So most likely this Matic will have a trend continuation. Is Matic. So showing hidden bullish divergence. So most likely breakouts. There's a breakouts probably. So but since we are conservative trader, we will wait the price to go here. Or if there's a breakout, then we will breakout. We will trade on the breakout. Okay. So I repeat our guidelines for trading. To select the point to trade. Number 1 is volume. Number 2 is trend. And number 3, confluence and confirmation. So this is very important guidelines for us to follow in selecting a point to trade. So hope you like this video, right? Thank you for watching and stay safe and God bless.